Imagine reaching into your pocket or counting coins from your change and discovering something truly extraordinary. An ultra-rare 2022 euro coin that could instantly be worth far more than its face value. Most people assume coins from recent years are only useful for small purchases. But this particular 2022 euro is a rare find that collectors are eager to add to their collections. Whether it's due to limited mintage, unique mint marks, or slight design variations, this coin stands out as a gem in everyday currency. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this coin, from identifying its unique features to understanding why it's so valuable, and even giving you an estimated price range that collectors are currently paying. Let's start with the rarity and design details. Coins like this are often produced in very limited quantities, sometimes as special editions or due to minting errors. This 2022 euro might have a special commemorative mark, a misaligned mint stamp, or an unusual finish, making it extremely desirable. Even small details that most people overlook, a tiny engraving, the shape of stars on the coin, or the finish on the edge, can significantly increase its collector value. For a casual observer, it may look like any other coin, but under magnification, these unique details confirm its rarity. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for coins in excellent condition, sometimes several hundred to a few thousand euros, depending on demand, rarity, and condition. Next, the historical context and significance. Coins are not just currency. They're miniature pieces of history that reflect a nation's culture, artistry, and political decisions. The 2022 euro was minted in a year that may carry commemorative significance or a very limited production batch. Each detail, from engraving of national symbols to the metal finish and weight, contributes to its collectible value. Knowing the mintage numbers, the specific mint it came from, and any special editions is critical for anyone wanting to assess its worth. Understanding these elements helps you separate a truly rare coin from an ordinary one in circulation. One of the most exciting parts of coin collecting is the thrill of discovery. Imagine casually emptying your wallet or counting coins from pocket change, only to notice one that seems different. At first, disbelief sets in. Could this really be a valuable coin? As you inspect it closer, you start to see the details that confirm your find. This is exactly what makes coin hunting so thrilling, the potential to turn something ordinary into a valuable treasure. For collectors, it's a combination of knowledge, patience, and luck. For viewers, it's proof that rare coins can truly be hiding in your everyday change, and it's a reminder to always check coins before discarding or spending them. Now, let's talk about estimated price and value. Based on recent sales and collector interest, an ultra-rare 2022 euro coin like this can range from 250 euros to 1,200 euros or more, depending on its condition, minting rarity, and collector demand. Coins in mint or uncirculated condition tend to fetch higher prices, while even circulated versions with noticeable errors or unique features can attract significant attention at auctions. Knowing how to identify these key features such as the mint mark, engravings, edge designs, and metal quality is crucial. Collectors often also look for proof coins or coins with unique finishes, which can add hundreds or thousands more to their market value. Finally, in this video, we'll explore all the important features viewers want to know. How to identify a rare 2022 euro, what makes it valuable, common mistakes to avoid when buying or selling, and tips on keeping it in the best condition for long-term value. We'll examine the coin closely, show magnified details, explain what sets it apart from regular coins, and give an honest estimate of its collector worth. By the end, you'll know exactly what makes this coin a hidden treasure and why you should always check your change. That ordinary coin you overlook today could be worth hundreds or even thousands of euros tomorrow. So stick around and discover the secrets behind this ultra-rare 2022 euro coin. You might just be holding a piece of history in your hand.